Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I will be guiding you through the configuration on how you can make a switch over on your LTH MXD73. First and foremost, identify the best switch for your process. You can either use a latch button or you can use a selector switch. Next, we are going to connect the wires to the port of the LTH MXD73 digital input. To begin, press the menu button once. And now we are going to configure for the solutions. Now let's make some assumption that we are going to have solution A and solution B passing through the ECS20 or the ECS40. Therefore, we have a different relay setting for two different liquid. So the reason for this is because I would like to trigger the pump or the valve at different concentration for these two particular distinguished liquid. So I'm going to press enter on the relay setup, and I'm going to press enter again to configure on when I would like to energize the relay. For instance, I have a high trigger point at 23%. So this is my desired point. So whenever I'm pressing this button, it is going to trigger this particular configuration. So you can do this for the second relay as well. Here we have a low set point which will be triggered at any reading that is lower than 5%. Next, we are going to head on to the digital input, and we are going to assign the switch setup. So for this, I only have one switch, so I'll be using store A. Right here, you can access the store and select your store. So I'm going to choose memory A or the store A. And if you have two switch, you can switch and declare this as store B. Next on the line, we are going to press the done button and head on to save or restore, and save the setup first. So I'm going to press enter again, and I'm going to save on just A. Alright, so press yes to confirm, and here we have it. Next, for instance, solution B is a vice versa of all the settings on the solution A. All I need to do is press the OP button. I'm going to exit first, and now I'm going to press the OP button on set points and relays. I'm going to set the solution instead of high to low. Now bear in mind that this is we can actually configure the low value as well, per se, if I would like to make it low. So I can easily turn this to maybe 3%. I'm going to press the exit button and configure for set point 2. And per se, I could set high trigger point and leave it at 13. I'm going to press the exit button, and we are going to be brought up to this screen over here. And based on the indicator that we see, that relay 2 is now being activated because the value right now is high. It's on the high range. So as I press this button over, it is going to bring you to a switching setup. So after the setup, you'll notice that instead of relay 2, it is going to be relay 1 that is being energized. So basically, that is how you switch your MXD73. Now what happens if I release this button? It is going to switch over back to my last setting, and the LED indicator for relay 2 will light up, and relay 1 will not light up. Just wait a moment, wait for it to complete the loading process, and here we have it. So thank you so much for your time. That's about it for today. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.